integrated project which is based on Manipuri dance. Themes in Manipuri. Good morning. I am here to represent my art integrated project which is based on Manipuri dance. Manipuri dance is a well-known dance in India and other countries also. Let's have a look what is Manipuri dance. Manipuri dance. Manipuri is an Asian classical dance form which is originated in the northern state of Manipur in India. Its origin can be traced back to Asian time, even before recorded history began. Lai Harobba is the earliest form of dance in Manipur, and it formed the basis of all such dances. Let's have a look on the key features of Manipuri dance. These are the key features of Manipuri dance that distinguish it from other classical dances. It is more restrained compared to the other dances of India. The artist never establishes eye contact with the audience. The movements are continuous and circular, merging into one another. The hand gesture of mudras gel gentle with the overall movements. The facial expressions are not over the top, but rather subtle. Let's have a look on the theme of the Manipuri dance. Themes in Manipuri dance forms. Most of the themes are influenced by Vaishnava theme of Hinduism. There are also themes related to Shivism, regional delights, and Shaktism. In the Tandav style, Krishna, Shakti, or Shiva are portrayed as warriors. In the Lasya style, the theme is mainly love stories of Radha Krishna. Let's have a look on the types of Manipuri Ras Leela. There are three styles of Manipuri Ras Leela: Tal Rasak, Danda Rasak, Mandal Rasak. In Tal Rasak, it is accompanied by clapping. In Danda Rasak, drums are beaten with two sticks, while the position of the dancers create geometric patterns. In Mandal Rasak, the character of Krishna is at the center, where the gopis surrounded him. Let's have a look on the varieties of Manipuri dance style. Varieties of Manipuri dance style. There are 6 Manipuri dance style: Ras, Nata Sankirtan, Pung Cholom, Chola Cholom, Kartal Cholom, Tangta. Let's have a look on the music and instruments used in Manipuri dance. Music and instruments used in Manipuri dance. Nat, Manipuri classical singing style. It is categorized by a high-pitched, open-throated singing with a peculiar kind of thrills and modulation. Very different from the Hindustani and Carnatic style. Sankirtan, congregational singing accompanied by dance. Pang, rhythm instrument, barrel drum, kartal, cymbals. Peena, string instrument. Let us have a look on Manipuri dance costume. Manipuri dance costumes. Female artists add on a barrel-shaped drum-like long sleeve skirt with decorative embellishment. Along with this, they wear a dark color velvet blouse and a veil over the face. Male dancer wear dhoti, kurta, white turban, a folded shawl over the left shoulder, and the drum strap over the right shoulder. The character of Lord Krishna is always in a yellow dhoti along with a dark velvet jacket and a crown of peacock feathers. Thank you for listening this presentation. The data of this presentation is taken from Byju's learning website. This presentation is made by Vishal Rathore and Harit Chaudhary. Thank you.